You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for Isha Talor. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Isha Talor. Today we are refreshing this color without any hair dye, any damage, nothing. Getting my hair done at the salon is really expensive, especially since eventually I want to go back to black and I don't feel like putting any semi-permanent color, which I usually use the Adore colors. Boop, I usually use those, but they're semi-permanent and it's still a chemical and I don't want to use that to refresh this color. So I'm going to be using the Wella Color Fresh masks. So I have the copper color, Copper Glow, and I'm going to mix that a little bit with the caramel glaze. And I'll put the price of these on the screen for y'all. I got these at my beauty supply store, but you can also get them at Sally's. So my hair is freshly washed and not conditioned because these are technically like a deep conditioner. But as y'all know, or if you don't know, only the front part of my hair is colored, not the back. So I want to separate that because these color masks only work on pre-lightened, pre-colored hair. So it's not going to change my black hair at all. So it doesn't make sense to even get it on that. And these were kind of expensive, so it's like I want to only use it where it will be used. So I'm picking out my colored strands to the best of my ability. Again, it's just the front. The reason why I am mixing a little bit of caramel glaze with the Copper Glow is that I don't need a fiery copper. I don't need it to be orange. So this will like tone it down a smidge. I'm hoping. I don't have that much color in the front, but I want it saturated, so that should be good. Ooh, smells pretty good. Like, it doesn't smell like a chemical because it's not, so boop. Does that even make sense? Okay. Ooh, it looks bright on camera, but I promise you it doesn't look like that in person, child. It does not. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. And just apply it like a deep conditioner. I also have a comb that I don't use to make sure that it's in every strand. But yeah.
Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know what when you turn me around, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is falling. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, oh, must get in and lift my head up like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, jam, jam.
All right, so I'm gonna let it sit for like, I don't know, 20-30 minutes. It says 10, but I want this to be to leave up to 10 minutes depending on desired intensity. I want this to be intense, so I'm gonna leave it on for like 20 minutes. All right, y'all, so I just washed it out. I haven't even looked at it yet. Okay, first of all, these smell so good. Like, I need this as an actual, I wonder if they have a clear gloss conditioner because it actually smells really good. Has like a reddish tint to it. It looks a lot brighter on camera than it is like in person, but it kind of looks like a paprika. I don't hate it though. I'm like trying to look. Yeah, it looks brighter on camera. Let me see if I can take off a light. Hold on. Then that looks too dark. Child. In person looks different. So it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. It's gonna be a whole different video, but I'm about to go do that real quick, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks when it's dry, because regardless, when your hair is colored, when it's dried, it's totally different. So I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all what it looks like. But so far, I really like this Wella Color Fresh mask because for natural hair, it's actually really moisturizing. I don't mind it at all. It smells really good. It was easy to apply. We'll see how long this actually lasts for because it's a temporary color. It's just meant to refresh your hair color, and like I said, your hair already has to be lightened. See how it didn't get on that black?
Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, jam, jam.
Alright, so it's been almost a week with this hair color, and I forgot to show y'all, honestly. And I haven't washed my hair since. I haven't even like put water to it or anything to see if it bleeds. But I did this color on Sunday. Today is Saturday, so again, it's looking a lot more vibrant on camera, but it is kind of bright too. It's pulling more redhead with like a slight ginger undertone, but it's definitely more redhead, but it's okay. I'm pretty sure it will fade, but I think it looks pretty good. Again, I like that it's a deep conditioner. It's not like a chemical or anything, and in general, it's not like it's coming off of my hands. I guess I will give you an update for when I do wash my hair to see if it bleeds or how fast it fades. So I will make sure in my pinned comment that I update you guys on that. But for the most part, I do like these two products. Of course, I use more of the Copper Glow than the Caramel Glaze, but I have a lot left of both, and I'll just continue to re-up this color until I decide, you know, what I want to do next. But I think eventually I'm going to go back to black, but we'll get to that when we get to that. So this is the final results of this color. I definitely like it. If this video on this wash and go is out, I will make sure to link it for you guys to check that out, to know what products I used. Let me know your thoughts below. Have you tried any of the Wella colors? Are there any other hair masks that deposit colors that you recommend? Because I definitely want to try some other ones as well. So let me know in the comments below. Again, stay tuned for this wash and go if it's not out already, but you could go ahead and check out my channel for other videos on my curly hair and all that good stuff. So I will most definitely catch you in the next one. Peace.